Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make enchilada sauce without onion or garlic. Many people avoid these ingredients for dietary reasons, but that doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. We'll explore simple substitutions and techniques to create a deeply satisfying sauce. You'll be surprised how easy it is to achieve a rich, authentic taste using common pantry staples. Get ready to transform your enchilada night with this delicious, adaptable recipe. To build a flavorful base without onion or garlic, we'll turn to some clever substitutes. Asafoetida, also known as hing, offers a pungent, savory note similar to garlic when cooked. Just a pinch, about 1/4 teaspoon, is usually enough. Celery powder or dried celery flakes can mimic the subtle sweetness and aromatic qualities of onion. Combine these with classic chili powder, ground cumin, and a touch of smoked paprika for a truly complex and delicious foundation. Making the sauce is straightforward. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create a roux, cooking it for about 1 minute until lightly golden. This forms the base for thickness. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of vegetable broth, ensuring no lumps remain. Stir in 1/4 cup of tomato paste and your chosen spices, simmering for 10 to 15 minutes until the sauce thickens beautifully. For the perfect enchilada sauce, always taste and adjust your seasonings. A pinch of sugar can balance the acidity of the tomatoes and enhance the overall flavor profile. If you prefer a spicier kick, add a dash of cayenne pepper or a few drops of your favorite hot sauce. This recipe yields about 2½ cups of sauce, enough for 12 to 16 enchiladas. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.